Hi friends, when you are running a WordPress website and even maintaining your WordPress website regularly, it is mandatory to take regular backup of your complete websites. You might have installed multiple WordPress websites on your hosting plan, but if you are not taking regular backups, your website may be on risk. So many hosting providers like Hostingers and some good names provides this solution for taking regular backup of your website in single clicks. But what if it is not available from your hosting provider? Like this is a cPanel based hosting plan, the shared hosting plan that we are using even at our end. But there is no solution, there is no option available here on this cPanel to take regular backups, automatic backups, incremental backups for our WordPress installation or even for any website installation. We have to take backups manually using various tools available at this panel. But in this video, I am going to show you how you can start taking regular backups, regular incremental backups in just few clicks, and it can be automated as well. So this video is really going to be really helpful for you if you are really serious about your website security and the maintenance plans. I am showing you a very good solution, and this is a plugin that is free available at WordPress repository itself. It is Jet Backup, and it is a WP backup and migrate restore solution. So it is an amazing solution. You are going to use this after watching this complete video, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, you may please subscribe this channel and join the iCreate program as well. It is a very interactive program for WordPress website. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell button, and let us proceed for next. Yes, what you'll find on this channel, hundreds of themes, hundreds of WordPress resources. Just watch the playlist. You'll find everything that you need for your WordPress website. Yes. Okay. So Jet Backup is the target plugin that we are going to overview in this video. We are going to make a solution at our WordPress website. This is our test website. Of course, this is a demo website that we created in the earlier videos. And I am going to install this Jet Backup solution. So why I have selected this Jet Backup for this activity like regular backups, migrate and restore solution. I must tell you, this is also available in cPanel based hosting plans, like on another plan that you can avail through WP Themes website hosting plan. I am talking about the hosting plan that is also a cPanel based hosting plan. And you can find Jet Backup 5 is already here in the cPanel itself, and we can simply use this backup facility, incremental backup facility, and even complete backup facility from our cPanel account itself. Like this is the complete interface available through Jet Backup, and we can download the backups, take regular backups of everything that we want, full backups, home directory backups, cron jobs, databases backups. Like if you are willing to take only the database backup, incremental backup, you can do all these things from the cPanel itself. But we are very much concerned about the solution that is available at might not be available at your cPanel. So how you can avail this facility? So let us install this Jet Backup plugin at our WordPress website to make it available from our WordPress dashboard. So this is the backend of this website, and I'm going to add the plugin that is Jet Backup, and it is freely available at WordPress repository. I just shown you the link. I'm going to add all the relevant links in the video description itself. Don't worry, you will get everything what you need for your WordPress website. But yes, don't skip watching this video, any part of this video, because it is really very important to understand the features of plugin or the themes that you are going to use at your live website. Because just not install any plugin or any theme for testing purposes, it is going to make your database cluttered. Yes, so even after you remove any plugin, the traces remains in the database, and it is really a very important thing which is not generally considered. this plugin Jet Backup has already got very good user star ratings. I mean, users are really using and appreciating this plugin, and it is going to be super easy to take regular backups, duplicate your website, cloning your website using this plugin. So let us install now and see how it works for this installation and how you can use this plugin for taking backups and cloning your website, restoring the backups and all. Let us activate this. I have installed this plugin. It is free, and you can simply find this plugin at WordPress plugin section. And Jet Backup is here. And now let me go to the backups or the dashboard. This is Jet Backup. And okay, so this is the free version, of course, and you can even take the premium version if you are interested in migration, backup to cloud, or scheduled backups, mail notification. And you can go to the pro version as well. But yes, the free versions also works fine. So you can really use this backup solution. And like if you are clicking on the backup, you can create a custom or full backup after installing, and the backup database and the backup files. So these are very simple solutions. Like if we are going for backup database or only WordPress or custom, so we can even use a custom database or the whatever we are willing to take. Like if you are willing to take a table backup, database table backup, you can do this. So this is a very good solution. If you are willing to take any particular area backup from your database, you can still easily select here what actually you want. Further, if you want to take back WordPress backups, you can take the WordPress backup, and even the full backups can be done for all the dev. Like if you hover on the options, you will get what you are going to take the backup. Like this is full backup, backup all tables and found in the database, and some backup tables. If you are selecting only WordPress, backup tables refer to the current WordPress installation, only tables with WP or whatever. Further it can be custom. Similarly, for full backup, you can go for complete backup of your website. And you, in the settings, even the backups can be restored or migrated. In the settings section, you can set the parameters what you want to use with this plugin, like a reload enabled or download mode, hard link, or the exclude path, the reload method, and also things, PP memory limit, and you can even clear the DP action tables and the add con feature. You can add new cons here and clear DB schedules. So this is very simple, and you can start using this plugin. And if you like this plugin, you can go for the premium version. So this is a simple solution, but yes, I only recommend to take regular backups, whatever solution may you might be using or willing to plan to use. But yes, don't miss the regular backups for your WordPress website. It is really very important. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.